Thanks for joining me today for another quick YouTube video. This time we're going to be talking about how to learn CRM Analytics, previously known as Tableau CRM. So let's take a look at the learning resources that you have available, and these are just some of them. There are many more out there on the internet, of course. First of all, I wanted to look at a great starting point, which essentially is a CRM Analytics learning map, and this will take you through a huge variety of learning resources, and you've got all the links here in one essentially resource hub. And you start here with your beginning and setting things up, getting them going, building dashboards, customizing, embedding CRM Analytics, links to live training, best practice, etc., etc. And then as we go down in here into the detail, we have videos, we have trailhead modules, we have support documentation, blog posts, just an incredibly helpful kind of a one-stop shop for all kinds of learning resources. Secondly, we have the YouTube channel, or playlist rather, that's been set up called Tableau CRM Training. Of course, CRM Analytics was previously known as Tableau CRM. You'll have the link to this in the description of the video, but this playlist is fantastic. It begins with a basic explanation of what is Tableau CRM or CRM Analytics, and then going through creating data sets, initial setup, designing dashboards, collaborating, embedding, connecting in external data, and then getting into more advanced data preparation, looking at detail around bindings and SQL. So SQL is your advanced query language. Bindings is a way that you can build in advanced interactivity into your CRM Analytics dashboards, and it even gets into the Einstein discovery AI and machine learning. Then we have the what is known as the CRM Analytics Learning Adventure, and this should actually be available out of the box in your CRM Analytics platform once it's been enabled. You create this app, and it's actually a very fun and interactive and helpful tool for learning CRM Analytics. And again, it's very much hands-on. You're building as you go. It gives you hints and tricks. And I found this extremely useful when I began my journey. Then we have this blog post here. This is, this blog site. This is one example post. So if we go into salesforceblogger.com, you're able to get some really detailed guidance around different product areas, product features. So for example, if you wanted to know more about data prep, we just go in here and we select that subject, and now we can go in and we can get some more detail here, for example, around recipe data preview samples. So tons of really detailed content there. Trailhead is also, of course, always a great resource for anything Salesforce. And I've just shared with you my trail mix, or my collection of learning modules. There are others available in Trailhead. We have the CRM Analytics and Einstein Discovery Insight Specialist Super Badge, great hands-on challenge. Then we have Peter Lyons' channel on Salesforce, Let's Play Salesforce. Tons and tons of great content in here. Peter is a world-renowned guru of CRM Analytics. His content is just fantastic. So you can see here, we've got everything from new release overview to very detailed guidance about some quite complex use cases. Then when you're looking at bindings or creating that advanced interactivity in your CRM Analytics dashboards, we do have this series of posts on bindings, and then we have a link to the official Salesforce binding documentation here as well. So some really helpful resources around that advanced functionality. Speaking of advanced functionality, when you get into more advanced querying, then you have a SQL developer guide. And finally, the last resource I wanted to share with you is my book, Creating Actionable Insights Using CRM Analytics, designed to take you from a very much a beginner starting point all the way through an intermediate level of expertise, with hands-on examples all the way through, and that's available on Amazon. So I hope that these resources are helpful, and best of luck on your CRM Analytics learning journey, and make sure that you have fun. Thank you, and see you again soon.